What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to allow Android apps to access your storage. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, unlock your Android phone or tablet and go to the home screen. Slide your finger down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. From here, access your device settings by tapping the gear or wheel icon in the top right corner. You can also open your Android settings app from the home screen if your device shows a different user interface. Now, scroll down the list until you see the option that says Apps or Applications. It might be listed under System Settings. Next, tap on Apps to see a list of all the apps on your device. Look through the list and find the app you want to give access to your storage. Tap on the app name, and then you'll see a page with information about the app. Find the option that says Permissions or App Permissions and tap on it. You'll see different kinds of permissions. Find the one for storage or files and turn it on. Usually, you just need to slide a switch. Now, press the back arrow until you are back on the home screen. This allows the selected app to access your Android device's storage. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.